So one of the features that is coming to RPG Tycoon at launch is the new custom content screen. I've actually built some backend for editing in-game the files that you need and creating mod directories and stuff. So for now we're starting with the quest editor, but hopefully after launch we'll get some more in. So I just want to make modding easier as possible and as easy as possible for players. So this is the quest editor, and you can create new quest files. And then you can add as many quests as you want into a quest file. So if we were to add a new one in here, you can see you have a quest title, description, choice, and then you have a success, failure state, etc. So in the one that's already in here, you can click and you can edit ones as well. So you could copy the original XML file from the datas, and you can change all that and mess around with all that if you want and upload it as a separate mod. So yeah, there's some great kind of capabilities. You can edit other people's mods in this in theory as well using this editor. So it's fully extendable. And I'll probably work on it even more after launch as well to make it even better. But for now, you can set up quests, create quests, and you can have up to 4 options with each quest. Choose the stats that you want it to rely on, that choice to rely on, the trait of the hero that you want it to rely on, and the reward that you'll get for that specific choice. And obviously you can pick between all the choices and have different kind of variations of outcomes. And I chose to do this because I think that quests are the most approachable thing, and probably the most creative thing that players would want to do without having to get into the nitty-gritty of creating mods. And yeah, it was also the easiest thing to kind of put together. So yeah, I would love people to get stuck in to do this. And then once you've kind of done, I've also added support for creating the mod folder and directory even easier. So for instance, this could be test mod directory, and the author would be me, directory. Mod description, this is a test to show how the compiler works. So this is a compiler that puts everything in the right place for you. Even cooler though is this, which is I've literally I'm just so excited that I need to show it to you, and I'm so happy that I've managed to do this. Basically, I've put some presets in so that you can create icons for your mod. So you don't even have to leave the game to make an icon and get it up on Steam onto the workshop. You can sit and make some icons that you think is the most suitable. We'll have a second. So you can have 2 patterns, and there's different kind of styles for the patterns. I want this one to be yellow, so we need to take out the blue, I think. Yeah, and then let's take blue. We want this to be maybe a slightly different shade of yellow. So I think you reduce the red. No, you add. Oh, take out the green. There we go, and add blue. There we go. Okay. No, that's not how that works. How does color work? There we go. There we go. Orange like that. Okay, so we can... oh, yes, 3 stars like that. And then you can put some text in if you want. So this is... so let's just... Yeah, Matt's awesome... Oops. Awesome... mod... Or awesome odd. Whatever. And like this. And then we'll just make it all... is it going to fit? It might fit. There we go. Let's maybe make it smaller. Will that make it fit when it's small? There we go. Okay. And then yeah, you choose an icon that you want. You could also pick one from your directory if you wanted as well, from your computer. But this is a tool to create them if you can't be bothered to do that and you just want to have an icon that shows up on the workshop. And then you hit make mod, and it will make a mod for you. So if you head over to your mod folder let me just take a quick. If you head over to your mod folder over here, you go to mods, and then it's made the directory for you, and you can just upload that straight into the workshop with the icon hopefully in there as well. There you go, look, it's made the icon for me. So everything is compiled in there, and if you wanted to add extra ones in, I haven't got support for that yet, but the editor's just in here, so you can just drag and drop things yourself. But basically it's just an easier way to create mods without really having to leave the game at all, and then you can just upload using the upload tool as usual. So hopefully that shows you how to make a mod, and hopefully that gets you all stuck in, because I really would love to see some kind of custom quest storylines from people. And it hooks into the trait system as well, so if you kind of define custom hero traits and things like that, it will hook into all of that. So yeah, that's coming at launch. Stay tuned and I'll have more info on launch this week. Take care.